In this video, we will take a look at how a sales document can be created manually with reference to a quotation. The customer, Leno, accepts the previously created quotation and orders 15 laptops. For this, a sales document is created with reference to the quotation, and the document type standard order is selected. It is also possible to create a sales document without reference. In the following, this process will be demonstrated using a sales document with reference to a quotation. Start transaction V, A01 to create a sales document. In the first step, the document type is selected. In this example, we are using a standard order. To select the document type standard order, click on the F4 Help and search for the abbreviation OR. A standard order is a type of sales document that defines specific delivery dates for goods or services. This type of document is frequently used in manufacturing and supply chain management to ensure that deliveries take place at defined times and in agreed quantities. In the Organizational Data section, enter the Sales Organization 1010. Enter the Distribution Channel 10. Enter the Division 00. Next, click the Create with Reference button to link the quotation to the sales document. Here you can enter the quotation number if it is known. If the quotation number is not known, you can search for it using filters. You can search by customer reference, sold to party, and WBS element. Click on the search button and select the desired quotation from the list with a double click. Then click Copy to proceed to the overview. The quotation is now copied into the sales document. Enter a customer reference, for example, a customer number or inquiry number, and also enter the customer reference date. This date refers to the day the customer submitted their inquiry. If the entire sales document should be delivered in a single delivery, tick the checkbox Complete Delivery. In some cases, the Incoterms are not automatically copied from the quotation. In that case, manually select the Incoterms Free House. In the background, delivery scheduling has been executed. More specifically, backward scheduling. Key dates such as goods issue date, loading date, material availability date, and transportation planning date have been determined. To review these dates, double-click on the item. Click on the Schedule Lines tab, highlight the row, and then click the Shipping button. The dates determined through scheduling will then be displayed. Click on the Save button to create the sales document. The sales document has been created, and a document number has been generated.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.